In this video, you will learn how to set ramp-up frequency on the GUI. From the ramp-up frequency drop-down list, you can adjust the frequency that goes through an open to closed loop transition. In this video, we'll increase ramp-up frequency gradually and check waveforms to see the frequency at open to closed loop transition. First, let's begin with the load operation when ramp-up frequency is 4.8 Hz. Click Run to rotate the load. Then, check the load operation and oscilloscope waveforms at once. Again, take a look at the frequency at open to closed loop transition. You can see the frequency has successfully gone through the open to closed loop transition as we set. Next, let's go on to the load operation when ramp-up frequency is 11.2 Hz. Click Run to rotate the load. Then, check the load operation and oscilloscope waveforms at once. Now, take a close look at the frequency again. The frequency has turned out to be successful in the open to closed loop transition as we set. Finally, let's check the load operation when ramp-up frequency is 16.0 Hz. Click Run. The load did not rotate. Check the load operation and oscilloscope waveforms at the same time. As you can see, the frequency has failed in the open to closed loop transition. Select a suitable value from ramp-up frequency to allow your application to have a proper open to closed loop transition. Thank you for watching. We hope this video will help you.